Hey everyone, want to get the most out of the Qwenlm.ai? One of the coolest things you can do is switch between different models to perfectly match your tasks. Let's jump right into how to do that. Alright, first of all, let's go to the website of Qwenlm.ai. And here we are. Make sure that you have already logged into your account, and if you haven't, simply log into your account. Alright, we are inside the Qwenlm.ai. Now you will need to locate the model section area, which is usually pretty easy to find. You can see it over here. Look for the drop down menu or clearly labeled button. It is over here. Tap on the drop down. And this drop down open a list of models. Here you can see Qwen 2.5 Max, Qwen 2.5 Plus, Qwen 2.5 BL 72 Instruct, and Qwen 2.5 14B Instruct 1M. And under the model you can see their uses too. There's Qwen 2.5 Max is used for the language model in Qwen series, and 2.5 Plus is capable of complex tasks. 2.5 BL 72B Instruct is capable of smart large language model, and 14B Instruct 1M is long context the models. If you tap on expand more models, you can see all the models over here too. As we have talked about all these models, to change the models that you like, simply tap on the model that you like. For example, I want to use QVQ 72B preview. Tap on it, and that's it. Qwenlm.ai will now use your selected model for your interaction. It's really that simple. And now you can experiment and see which model works best for your specific needs. And that's it for today's tutorial. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.